Hello everyone, I'm Isha. This is my husband Amrit. Today is July 15th and we are on our way to our Southampton cruise. So it will take us about 2 hours. So the weather is really nice and lovely and we're really excited. Some of our family members are already headed that way because we have a big group. So I will keep you updated. Right now we are in a rest area in M3. We're just having a bit of Starbucks coffee, just getting some energy. This is located like 16 miles away from M25. We'll just have a bit of rest and we're going to head back to our destination in a short bit. We are currently in our P&O Cruises BRITANNIA waiting area. We're just getting ready to be checked in. I can see my ship right behind me. I'll just do a 360 and it's right behind me over there. So we're just waiting for a few minutes before getting checked in, and that's my family's right over there. Hi guys, welcome to our room. This is in deck 11. We're on the 11th floor. This is a queen bedroom, as you can see. We have a big queen size bed. It's really nice. They have a bag for our luggages, bedside table, as you can see. Nice little desk with some vanity mirror, which I'll be doing my makeup. And here's some station to make your drinks, tea, coffee, and little cupboards to put your stuff. That's our TV. We have a big mirror where we can see ourselves after getting ready to go to places. And this is our room where we can put our clothing and stuff. We have our life jackets on top, each for one of us, and there's a nice little safe where you can keep your valuables and stuff. Nice storage where you can put any stuff you want. And we have our bathroom over here, which is nice, small, precise, and really nice, with some good lighting over there. actually in the main center of the Britannia ship. We are on the 6th floor, and the 5th floor is right below us, where there's lots of cafes and coffee shops and bars. As you can see, people just come and hang around and have a drink. And the 6th floor is all over with like retail shops, jewelry, bags, makeup and stuff. And the 7th floor is also bars and coffee shop where people like to just hang around